The Minnesota House met in session for a fifth time today with no Democrats in attendance. And there's no sign they'll be back anytime soon, at least not until after the Minnesota Supreme Court rules on whether Republicans have a valid quorum to conduct business. Tom Hauser is live tonight at the Capitol with the latest.
The special election that will likely restore a tie here in the Minnesota House will not happen until early March. That's because the Supreme Court rejected an earlier date chosen by Governor Walz last month. Now the question is, will Democrats really stay away for 7 more weeks until that special election? The Minnesota House held a brief session Wednesday with no Democrats in the chamber. The House Transportation Committee also met, again with no Democrats, as Republicans heard testimony about a bill repealing a retail delivery fee and automatic increases in the gas tax. Democrats passed those measures last year.
Our job as legislators is to decide what tax increases need to be put in place and what tax decreases need to be put in place, not have an automatic.
The question is whether anything Republicans are doing without Democrats present will be legally recognized. DFL House leaders say that will be up to the Supreme Court to decide, but there is risk for Democrats and Republicans.
Their risk going into court is to have the Minnesota Supreme Court rule that everything that they've done is illegitimate. Our risk going into court is for the Minnesota Supreme Court to stay out of it and not really take a position. Both of us have huge downsides.
You do not have quorum. You are not allowed to do this.
DFL supporters disrupted a House hearing on Tuesday, accusing Republicans of staging a coup. Meanwhile, the House DFL sent out a compilation of all the places their members are meeting with constituents in their districts, talking about everything from a new fire station in Golden Valley to affordable housing in Minneapolis. DFL House leader Melissa Hortman says Democrats will stay away from the Capitol until Republicans agree to power sharing.
Right now at the negotiating table, we're really getting nothing from Republicans. We're getting no assurances of anything worthwhile at all.
And House DFLers say they're convinced if they show up here at the Capitol and give Republicans a quorum, they will vote to not seat Representative Brad Tabke, who very narrowly won a race down in Shakopee by just 14 votes, despite the fact about 20 ballots were thrown away. Tomorrow, I'll be covering the Minnesota Supreme Court hearing that will determine, perhaps, whether Republicans have a valid quorum to do anything here at the Capitol without Democrats. Live at the state capitol, Tom Hauser, 5 Eyewitness News.